Hello, good morning children. This is your social science teacher, Jaspreet Kaur, to take you the next portion of your geography chapter 2, the next physical division, that is northern plains. Till now we have studied name of all 6 physical division, India's location, and how these northern mountains were formed, Gondwana land, territories, all these some keywords we have discussed. Plate tectonic theory, conversion, diversion, transformation, volcanic eruptions, that what is the movement of this plate theory. And then we talk about major physical division of India. 6 physical divisions I have marked on this map and asked you to locate also. Hopefully you have done that work. Right? You have to open this video, set up with the blank map, and try to locate the things as I have located, and you will get the clear-cut picture of this physical divisions, location. And when you have located the things, ultimately some feature you will get कि कौन सा एरिया है, नॉर्दर्न में है, सदर्न में है, ईस्टर्न में है, वेस्टर्न में है, तो what states are they are covering that area, ना? तो like that I told you this northern mountain. Now I'll tell you about the northern plains. These are from here, from Punjab to this area, northern plains. And UP this square area this is जिस पे मैंने स्केयर लगाया था, this area is of northern plains. Average extent is like that. Average extent 240 kilometer length and approximately 230 to 240 is its width. Right? Approximately this type of area is there, and somewhere it is 230, somewhere it is 220. So that is the width. It stretches from Punjab to this West Bengal, some area of West Bengal, and their major rivers are there, right? Because it is very plain area, and you may have seen this from here. This UP Ganga river basin is there, major river is there, and it has its tributary also there. And you know that when the river flows down, water of the river flows down, during that it takes depositional activities. I mean, this is some salt, chemicals, peoples, conquer used to stay there with the force of water. These are coming and rolling down. Then somewhere, if obstacle or some height of the land, elevated land is there, it goes faster. Somewhere it is slow according to the elevation. कहीं ये तेजी से चलता है, कहीं ये रुक भी जाता है. तो where it most of the time it is depositional activities take place here. I mean, जिसे deposit होती रहती है. When all these things are getting deposit over there too soil formation is there. Right? That's why in your next class you will see that during this area tag, wherever this is northern plain areas are there would be more fertile land due to the depositional activities of the river, right? Or moreover than that activity that creates alluvial soil. And that's why being plain and alluvial soil, these plains are thickly populated. Very very important question, right? इसी के vice versa desert के लिए क्वेश्चन आता है, why it is thinly populated, and northern plains are thickly populated and northern mountains once again thinly populated. You have to give the answer in accordingly due to its physical relief feature, due to vegetation, due to soil, due to climate, right? Means of transport and communication. All these factors are responsible for thick and thin, dense and sparely population factors. Why it is so there? So that is very very important here. And in its lower course, right? In its lower course there are different different type of Bhangar, Khaddar, and this tri-regions are there, right? Tri-regions are there. Bhabbar and tri-region. Bhabbar region is there. It lies in the foothills of Shivaliks. These are the foothills of Shivalik ना, तो उसके जस्ट सदन में जो है इसमें पार्ट पड़ता है, दैट इज Bhangar, right? And it is a narrow zone, approximately 8 to 6 kilometer belt. 8 to 6 kilometer it is belt from here to here. Foothills of Shivalik, उसके बिल्कुल नीचे पड़ता है. Then Trai region, it is wet marshy area with wildlife and forest. इसे in local Punjabi language मंड का एरिया बोलते हैं. I also belong to that area. My village is nearby Satluj river, right? Only 3 to 4 kilometers. My village is situated, and that comes in the category of Trai region, जिसे मंड का एरिया बोलते हैं. And during that time, it is considered that there are dense forest and wildlife is there. रिवर के पास बहुत सारी ऊंची ऊंची झाड़ियाँ होती हैं, कई टाइप के एनिमल्स भी रहते हैं. 3 to 4 किलोमीटर के एरिया में नियर बाय रिवर, दैट इज ट्राई रीजन. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी suitable for agricultural. People do agriculture there, cultivate land, grow crops, but whenever there is a flow of water is more and it wash away all the crops with itself. So it is somewhat risky, but then also people used to stay there, used to grow crops also over there, right? That is Trai region, nearby the marshy and wetland, nearby the rivers, because here are the river, right? Major plain, Ganga river and its major tributaries are there. Then Bhangar area, that is Bhangar and Khaddar. Bhangar and Khaddar, that is created due to the depositional activity of river. Bhangar you say old and Khaddar new, because flow of water is always there. पानी आता जाता है, चला जाता है. Due to rainy day, sometimes flood is also there, right? So this is a depositional and erosional activity going on simultaneously. Erosional and depositional activity going on simultaneously with the flow of water. Whatsoever conquer, pebble, stone are there, they continuously keep on rolling with the flow of water. And while rolling down and water flow, there is automatically weathering, right? You may see that if there is a big stone, after 1 year or 6 months, if you see that those stones size get lesser, वो small हो जाते हैं, get smaller, because पानी के flow, ऊपर से पानी आता जाता है तो वो rolling down होते रहते हैं, और उनमें से कुछ weathering activity होती है, जिसे हम erosional activity भी कह सकते हैं. You will study in higher classes this in deep erosional weathering activity, and then that automatically get depositional. डिपॉजिट होता रहता है, कहीं डिपॉजिट हो गया, कहीं इरोड हो गया, फिर डिपॉजिट हो गया, फिर इरोड हो गया. इस टाइप से साइमल्टेनियसली सारा वर्क चलता रहता है. ड्यू टू दैट देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज फॉर्म्ड, Bhangar and Khaddar. Bhangar is old, Khaddar is new, right? Khaddar is new. Khaddar is not very fertile. Bhangar, that is old, that is fertile soil according to the this river depositional activity. Khaddar is the younger alluvial soil of floodplains, and Bhangar is older alluvial soil in floodplains. So in this way we have completed the. In this way it has complete. We have completed the 2 activities here. 2 we can say major part of our physical divisions, northern mountains and northern plains. This much I have told about you about the northern plains of India. Okay students, in this way you have to go through, you have to highlight on map this one, its major rivers, major states, Punjab, Haryana, UP, right? Bihar or some area of this West Bengal also in this northern plains, some area of West Bengal. Okay students, take care. Bye.